Dashboard interactivity is a really important, crucial part of Tableau. Tableau 2018.3, the latest version, adds some additional features to enhance dashboard interactivity. Let's talk about one way of navigating between dashboards. In previous versions, you could add a worksheet that had some kind of a mark type like a shape, an arrow, and then do something called a dashboard action, in particular a filter action. 2018.3 offers an additional feature, an additional action type that may make that a little bit easier. Let's look at this one dashboard here called Sales Overview, and I want to navigate from it over to a Profit Overview dashboard. And I'm going to go kind of the same way I did in an earlier version of Tableau before 2018.3, which is by adding a right arrow sheet to my dashboard. Let's get rid of that title. Right arrow is just taking up space. Let's make it smaller. It's floating, by the way, and just have it sit up here. Now, what I'm going to do is something a little bit different than we did in the previous version, a new action type. Dashboard menu, Actions. Here's the Actions dialog box. I'm going to add, and I have a new Go to Sheet action I haven't seen before. I'm going to choose that. I'm going to call this action Go to Profit Overview. And it's pretty much the same approach. I'm going to do it on a select, so when I click, the source sheet's going to be the right arrow sheet. And now my target is what sheet I simply want to navigate to. I don't have to do a filter action. That's going to be my Profit Overview dashboard. Click OK, and now when I come up and click on that, it navigates to my Profit Overview. So it's simpler and more straightforward than a filter action. It's simply a Go to Sheet action. That's new. Let me show you another way of doing it. In Tableau 2018.3, I have an additional option in my Objects part of my dashboard pane. I have a button object I can drag up to my sheet. I'm going to drag it to my Profit Overview. By default, it displays a pretty ugly gray button. Let's make some changes. Let's edit that button object. Let's actually load an image. I happen to have a left arrow here that I got that I'm going to use. It looks a lot nicer. We'll use that. I want to add a tooltip, which is going to be Navigate to Sales Dashboard. And I want to navigate to, and here are the list of my options. And if I look around, I will eventually find my Sales Overview. That's the dashboard. Click OK. I have a much nicer looking arrow. Let's resize it a little bit right up there. And now if I hover my mouse over it, there's my Navigate to Sales dashboard, and it navigates back. So nice new features in 2018.3, what's called a Go to Sheet action, and the actual new button object, both used to navigate within dashboards. New feature in 2018.3 you should be aware of. If you liked the video, click that like button, subscribe to see more, and I will see you with lots more good stuff on virtualtableautraining.com.